I have not been feeling well lately. For the past 10 days, I've been lying down on the bed and I've been realizing a lot of things. That's why I wanted to come up here and tell you all about it. So, welcome to It's a Beautiful Day. My name is Abigail Arenas, and this is my official channel, Abigail Arenas Official. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe now, okay? And then hit the notification bell so that we will be able to notify you if we have new videos. All right. So what has been happening in the midst of all this? Okay, I was in bed for almost 10 days and I couldn't even get up. And then, good thing I have learned a few lessons. I have been, kumbaga, nakapag-isip-isip. I'd like to share to you today the things that I have learned so far in this pandemic. We are on a health crisis. So health is very, very important. So my first lesson is, alam na ng lahat na ito, health is wealth. Very true. Ngayon siguro yung time na ipa-prioritize mo yung sarili mo, ipa-prioritize mo yung health kasi as you can see, once ma-hit ka ng COVID, bababa yung immune system, ma-hit ka ng ibang sakit, it's so difficult to go to the hospital. So really, health is wealth. So if you are to eat right, it becomes an investment. If you are to treat yourself properly, it becomes an investment. Exercise, fresh air, food, water. The importance of water is, I cannot stress the importance of water talaga, diba? Pero health is wealth. Next, health insurance. Pay your health insurance. Alam na natin din ito, pero hindi pwedeng hindi tayo magkakasakit. Hindi pwedeng wala tayong pangangailangan health-wise. And we need money for it. Pay your health insurance. This is a time in my life wherein I'm thanking my old self because nag-invest ako sa health insurance. Pero more than ever, I think some people get it right. It's shelter, it's food, and it's health insurance. You really have to have that. If sickness strikes, uubusin ka talaga. So you've got to prioritize that health insurance. I know that some people will say it's not a priority, but it is. It is. So please make sure you take those papers in order, have a health insurance or even a life insurance for that matter. Friends will come and go, but you do not need a lot of friends. You need a handful of friends who will understand you. This is one realization that I got. Kasi parang pag nakahiga ka, di ba? Parang yun lang naman na naiisip mo. But if you have friends na kahit 5, dalawa, it doesn't matter. But if these friends are really the people who would understand you through thick and thin, then we realize real friends are not the ones who would keep liking us and there'll be like thousands of them. If people will really connect with you, then that is friendship. If you understand each other on a different level, then that is friendship. You might not see them quite often as much as you want, but when you talk, there's the connection. It will never go away through the years. Keep friends. Keep a handful of friends who would understand you. Family is a sentence. I'm gonna have to borrow my husband, June's words. He's always said that. Now, as I realize it, it's so true in every single letter. Family is a sentence. There will come a time in our lives where family will be the only thing in our world. It completes you. A family can give you the support, the love. It just completes you. If there is a time na hindi nagkakasundo, of course there will be those times, but then again, it's worth to mend that. It's worth to put all the love and effort to a family. I will never be complete without my family. My family somehow defines me. There's nothing in the world that I would want except that my children become better version of me and my husband. That's all I want. That's all I want for them. And if they can be good to other people, that will be an accomplishment. Invest on your family. Invest your time. Invest your love, because it's worth it. At the end of all this, it will be all about the family. I don't know what to tell you, but sometimes life becomes tough. But I heard somewhere that it's not what life gives us. We don't count on that. But it's what we give to this life. Use it wisely. Use it with love. Use it with a function. Use it with substance. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Must be the meds I'm in, but I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be talking to you. And I feel that today is such a blessing to be able to share, to be able to talk to people. How I wish I will have more power to share, because I feel that at 45, I have something to tell you. And let's go through this journey together. And it will always be a wonderful life. It will always be meaningful. Don't forget to put meaning in our everyday lives. And I just want to say, have a beautiful week ahead of you. And I will try my best to do another video next week. But it's always a beautiful day. So if you have not yet subscribed, I do have like 200 subscribers. So I'd like to thank you. I'd like to thank you for trusting me, and I hope I will be able to contribute a little bit, even kahit konti lang, little bit of my positivity towards you. So from my heart to your heart, thank you so much for watching. All right, so if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, and then put your comments or questions, and then we can just talk anything about life. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.